and welcome back to the park. Now today for this video I will be doing some house painting. Home improvements, maybe for the Christmas, no, but for my mother, because my mother wanted her house to be very beautiful. So since she's not here to do it, I am doing it for her. So first I have done one, and I am doing the rest, and I have someone on the outside doing some for me as well. So I will update you along the progress of the painting job. So right now I'm gonna get back to work, so see you for another update very soon. My job for today.
I'm a professional painter.
And I am a professional painter. Just look at that one. It's beautiful. Wow. Should be fine, right?
Yes.
So these are some pictures of the final outcome, and the hard work was truly worth it because the goal is beautiful. So thank you for watching the parl. Kita closer the farm. Look at it. What now is that? Yeah,